Hey, how you doing? My name is TreniuS Henderson, and you're tuned into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So if you have tuned into this video, I'm assuming that you're looking for results, right? Well, you're definitely about to get them in this video, okay? I got 5 proven ways that I know work without a shadow of a doubt, and I guarantee you that it's gonna make whoever you want to attract come to you, okay? 5 proven ways to attract someone to you using your mind power. The human mind is the most powerful tool in the universe. If you know how to use your mind properly, you can literally attract people to you without even having to do anything, okay? And that's what I'm about to give you in this video, okay? So stay tuned through this video. I'm about to give you all proven ways to attract someone using your mind power. Now, the first thing that you want to do when it comes to attracting someone to you using your mind is you want to put yourself into their world, okay? You want to get into their world, okay? I know so many people that try to attract specific people and try to attract their crush or someone they love or their ex or something. They try to attract them, but they're on the other side of the river yelling like, hey, I like you. You should come over here and cross the river. And the person over there that they're trying to attract, like, no, I'm not coming back over there. That water is it's moving too fast. I'm not risking my life to come over there. You come over here. You see what I'm saying? And so in order to attract someone to you with your mind, you got to understand that you have to get into their world. You have to put yourself into their reality. You have to put yourself into their shoes. You have to get into their paradigm. So basically what you would do is you will simply just become interested in the same things that they are interested in. Find out what they like. Find out what some of their interests are. Find out some of the foods that they like to eat. Find out the places they like to go, okay? And just meet them there, okay? Or if you end up having a conversation with this person who you want to attract, if that's what they like to eat, say that's what you like to eat. I mean, I hope that's really what you like to eat, but it's all about being a mirror reflection of the person you want to attract using your mind. Become interesting by becoming interested in the same things that they are interested in, okay? Because like attracts like, okay? Now the second proven way to attract someone with your mind is what I like to call the blue moon effect. Now the blue moon effect is very effective when it comes to attracting somebody with your mind, because what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're totally different from everybody else who might be trying to attract themselves to that person as well, okay? So what the blue moon effect does is it isolates you from the whole pack, okay? Let's say you got a pack of wolves, you know, and they going after this one prey, okay? You got a whole lot of guys and they're like chasing this girl, right? And you know you don't want to be like all these guys. So in order for you to attract this individual with your mind, what you will make sure that you do is separate yourself from everybody else using my blue moon effect. Now, in order to use the blue moon effect, what you must get yourself in the habit of doing is you must only contact the person every once in a while, okay? No, don't contact them 2 days back to back. No, don't contact them 1 week and then another week after that. Stop doing that, okay? People don't like to be rushed, okay? Because love is patient and love is kind. And if you want to attract somebody with your mind, you got to get into a habit of being patient and letting the universe actually work on your side to attract someone with your mind. So what you want to do is you want to use the blue moon effect, okay? Try to only contact this person who you want to attract in your mind every blue moon, okay? And you'll know when it's a blue moon because we don't get a blue moon too often, right? So your mind will tell you, hey, remember that person that you talked to maybe a month ago? Yeah, the person that you like. How about send them a text message? You know, you haven't sent this guy a text message in a whole month, and your intuition finally tells you, hey, send them another text message. That's the blue moon that you send them another text message. Hey, how you doing? I just thought about you. I hope you're doing well. Smiley face. Have a good day. That's it. That's all it takes. Because once again, you got to keep in mind that love is patient, okay? Love is patient. So nobody likes to be rushed. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself in the habit of contacting this person every blue moon to show them, no, I'm not trying to pressure you into any relationship. You know, I'm not trying to be all on your back like everybody else. I'm different from everybody else. I'm just trying to get you to understand that I'm interested in you. Okay, so this is the blue moon effect. Now the next effect that I got for you is very clever also, okay? It's called the look and release effect. Now the look and release effect is totally different. Now the look and release effect is when you are around a person who you want to attract using your mind power, okay? And this deals with the eyes, okay? So we're gonna talk about the eyes and how powerful the eyes are. The eyes are the window to the soul. So for instance, if you're out with a clique of girls, right? And you see this guy who you want to attract with your mind, okay, you would do the look and release effect, okay? So I'm gonna act like and pretend like I'm the guy or I'm the girl that you want to attract, okay? Guys, you understand? Okay, all right, cool. We can both make this work. All right, so I'm the guy that you want to attract, okay? You're looking at me from a distance. You see me, you see I'm handsome, I'm cool, I'm getting jiggy with it. Nah. Okay, but anyway, so I'm not even looking at you. I'm talking to my friends, you know, I'm chilling. I got me a drink in my hand, blah, blah. And you're looking at me, right? But the whole time I didn't even know you're looking at me. Then all of a sudden, when I like look at you, we lock eyes for that 1 second. And in that 1 second, you want to use the look and release effect by looking away from that person in that same second. Like that same second that they look at you, that same second that they looked at you, you want to look away like, man, I wasn't supposed to let you see me looking. Okay, this is called look and release effect. Okay, because what they're gonna go back and think is, they're gonna say to themselves after they catch you looking at them, they're gonna say, man, like, I wonder what it is in their mind. They're gonna say, man, I wonder what it is about them that was looking at me for. I know they like me. And people like to be puckered up about their confidence, and people like to be looked at and have attention all over them and stuff like that. So you looking at them kind of like boosts their ego a little bit, but they want to make sure that you like them for all the right reasons. So now at this point, you actually got them in your possession, because if you hurry up and looked away, now you can kind of like, or you should be able to feel their energy of them kind of like wanting your attention again. Because when you looked away, it's like you tapped into their energy, and then it's like you got away with it, and now you're not even worried about them anymore. And people, that's something that people cannot take, okay? So this person, this girl, this guy, he's gonna want to make his eye contact with you again, okay? And so when y'all make eye contact again, because I guarantee he's gonna look at you, then this is when you really send all the intentions his way. Look, you need to come to me, you know, or if it's a girl, like, yeah, you need to come to me because I like you, you know. So that's the look and release effect. You can use it anytime, any place, anywhere, okay? Now, the fourth way you want to attract somebody using your mind is through the means of positive energy. The best, least way to attract somebody with your mind, if you don't have any other confidence, or if you don't have the audacity, you know, to walk up to a female and just say, hey, how you doing? My name is da-da-da, XYZ, what your name is, da-da-da. If you don't have the confidence to do that, your best, least way to attract somebody with your mind is by just giving them positive energy. Like just simply just looking at the person and just saying, hey, or just walking past the person and then saying a comment like, oh, I like your coat, I like your dress, I like your pants you have on, I like those shoes. Positive energy goes a long way. Okay, if you have somebody on your phone who you want to attract with your mind, what will it hurt you to just send them a text message and just say, hey, how you doing? I was thinking about you. I just want to let you know you got it going on. I'm still here. I'll talk to you later. Bye. What's gonna hurt? Nothing, okay? So this is the least best way to attract someone with your mind. And listen, if anybody can think about anybody, they always trying to think and see whether this person has been a negative effect in their life or a positive effect over their life. So if somebody think about you as always sending them positive energy all the time, they can't resist that. And eventually a person is just gonna come to you, okay? Trust me, this works. It's a proven way. The fifth proven way, last but not least, the fifth proven way for you to attract someone using your mind power is when you are behind the scenes and you are not around this person. You have to be 100% confident with yourself that this person will come to you, Okay, it won't do you no good to do all 4 of these other proven ways, and then when you get behind closed doors, you're like second guessing yourself and just wondering whether or not all of this is gonna work. Oh man, I don't really know if she's gonna call me. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to do it. I don't think that he likes me. My hair wasn't the way I wanted it to be. I don't think that I'm thin enough, whatever. If you're thinking like this behind the scenes, chances are you're gonna actually repel that God away from you using your mind, okay? So keep in mind that your mind is also working behind the scenes, and you can actually repel the guy away from you or the girl away from you if you're not thinking confident thoughts and being 100% certain in yourself and attracting this person with your mind that they will come to you. You have to be 100% certain. Think of yourself as a magnet. A magnet is always attracting things to it. Okay, so when you're behind the scenes, behind closed doors, or not around this person that you want to attract with your mind, kind of see yourself in your imagination attracting this person to you like you were a magnet, okay? And just know 100% that this person will come to you, okay? At some time, in some point in time, this person will come to you. All right, so these are the 5 proven ways to attract someone with your mind. Good luck and good attracting. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm TreniuS Henderson. I am your life coach. If you want to attract somebody telepathically, I do have a telepathic secret that you can purchase, which is going to be at the very bottom in the comment section. Look at that link at the very top of the comments. Click that link, and it will take you to my website where you can get the telepathic secret and be able to attract somebody telepathically. Yeah, sending them a message, they receiving it, and then they coming to you because you send them a telepathic message, whether it's through text message or whether it's through writing, whatever. I got you covered. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon. Click the face icon and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos like these 2 right here. See you in the next video. Peace.